Hello, alto players. Thank you for practicing the school song. So there's two different styles of Fs that I want to make sure you're aware of. F sharp. It is not a hashtag. It is a sharp sign. F sharp is middle finger. F natural is first finger. What happens if they're down low? Well, if they're down low and it's F sharp, it's middle finger. And if it's F or F natural, then it's first finger. So line by line, we're going to go through the school song slowly at first so that we get everything accurate. That first note has a dot by it. That dot makes it longer. The flag makes it shorter. So it's G, A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B. Here we go. Do it again. So now maybe the next time you watch this video, you're just going to fast forward till the picture looks like this, and then you know it's working on the second line. So that second line, I do see F sharps. I see F sharps. And I wrote in some anchors as well. I wrote in some anchors. So I'm going to anchor on the G, dun, 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 C, dun, dun, dun. G, dun, dun, dun. So that first line is a little bit awkward. On you eagles, on you eagles, on. On you eagles. Feel free to listen, airplay, or play out loud. Box 5, ready, go. 3, 2. Do it again. Box 5, go. 3, 2, 1. Keep doing that. Repetition is going to be your key to success. Don't practice till you get it right. Practice till you can't get it wrong. And maybe the next time you start this video, you're going to start it so the picture looks like this. Now those F's are just plain. There's nothing extra added, which means that's a natural sign. So F natural, or the word F natural, or it's just a plain F. It's just a plain F. So it's a first finger F. And I'm going to anchor on F, da, 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 E, da, 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 D, C, B, A, G. So feel free to listen, airplay, or play out loud. 13, ready, go. Do it again. 13, go. You, rah, rah. After you've done that a few times, remember repetition. On you eagles, fight on to your fame. So anchor on G, da, 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 C, da, 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 F, 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 E. Those are plain Fs, those are F naturals. All right. 21, listen, airplay, or play out loud. 21, ready, go. Do it again. 21. Repetition, repetition on you eagles. If you sing it in your head, that usually helps a little bit. We are going to skip the first ending for now. So that's why there's a post-it note there. We're going to skip that for now. Fight, eagles, fight, fight, fight to win this game. So F, and then it's the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Is that an F natural? Yeah, they both are F naturals. Super. So first finger all the way. Listen, airplay, or play out loud. 29. Ready? Do it again. 29. Thanks for practicing. When you get comfortable with this, head on back to the YouTube channel and try to put it with the entire virtual band. Thanks and have a great day.